Good morning, everyone. Just wanted to take a second, drop an update video. I usually look at pictures of the past of the last 4 years, almost 5 years now, of everything I've been doing to this poor old wagon. Anyway, we're taking quite a few steps back in this short little video. I had a little setback. I kind of figured it was going to happen, but I gotta take the motor back out, so this will be fun. Couple steps forward, a lot of steps backwards. It'll be fun. This is when I fixed the rear window in the wagon. Up we go. Down we go. Look. And without helping it. Yee! I'm about to take a whole lot of steps backwards. I was kind of afraid of this, but I was hoping for the best. The motor is too high in the front. And how I know that is because, well, I put the radiator in, and then I put the fan on, and then I laid the radiator shroud on top of it, and the fan now hits the shroud. And I tried jacking up the back of the transmission, but it didn't move anything up here. Plus, I think I got too much of an angle. 10 degrees, that's probably too much. I think you really want like half of that at best. And it all stems to way down in there, the motor mounts. I put new motor mounts on because the old ones were worn out. The one was actually broken, so I can't really put the old ones back on. And when I got new ones of the same style, they were way thicker than the old ones. Like a half-inch thicker, maybe 9/16 thicker. But that is preventing the front of the motor from sitting down. Pointed up too high. And I kept ignoring that. Kept telling myself, it'll be fine. It'll be fine. It'll work out. I mean, granted, if I went to an electric fan, I could ignore all this, but I don't know. I got the drive shaft in too, and the angle on that doesn't look that fantastic. So I don't want to tear up a drive shaft. And this is also front sump, which means all the oil is actually draining that way, away from the oil pump pickup. So I don't want to starve this. So all of that and everything on the front and the exhaust that I just got done doing and all this will be coming back out. So I can figure out what to do with the motor mounts. going to be awesome. Damn it. I have updates. I took a couple things off. I don't know if you can maybe notice what I took off. It's hard to tell. But I removed a couple of items. And I think I got everything up here. Minus the motor mounts. Ready to go. Nothing here is in my way now. I got some doodads up here. All the linkage, and I got some wiring. I gotta fish that out later. Take the carb off. And then everything else is underneath. I don't know if I'm going to take manifold off. I will think about that. I'm going to leave the transmission in it. I'm going to undo the converter. I can get to all the bell housing bolts pretty good. It'll be tight, but there's space. And then undo the motor mount. And right there, let me zoom in. That black thing right there, that's my motor mount. And that's, I don't know, let's call that 2 inches. I believe the old one was 1.5 inches, maybe? Or no, like an inch. I think it was an inch. So I'm like an inch up, but I'll get the rest of the stuff. I don't know if I don't know if I'll get to it tomorrow. I'll plug away with it during the week. And I got the alternator off. And I picked this up at the junkyard because I had a 7-liter up there. I don't know where that goes though. That will be an issue. This is a regulator, but anyway, all my wires were kind of toasty, especially up here at this end. This end is like burnt. I gotta repair this wire's got a break right there, and that wire's got a break right there. But there. I'll fix them. And then that's not on mine current setup. Because this is my current setup right here. That's a ground. Oh, maybe it's that one. It's the ground right there. Anyway, this is pretty roached. And right here, last time I had it running, this got a little melty, and I had to replace this. But it was in a junkyard, cost $1, so. Alright. I'm hungry. Go check the fire. Get something to eat. I don't know when I don't think I'll be out here tomorrow. I really got to work on the shop. So maybe Monday, Tuesday. I don't know. One of those days I gotta cut a little bit of firewood. So I don't know. We'll get out here. we'll get it out of here soon. And then we'll figure out what we're going to do with the motor mounts. I still have the old ones. I'll have to dig them out. That way we can compare. Maybe we can modify them. We'll see. Alright, I'm going in. I'm hungry. Light outside. A little heater with the door closed. And up on high. It is okay in here. It's nice. Alright, I gotta go.